Well, hello, folks. It's the last camping trip of the season. It is Halloween, and you campers out there know what that means. It is time to winterize the camper because we're going to get some frosty weather tomorrow down in the 20s and 30s here in western Kentucky. So I've emptied the black and gray water tanks, like always, and sort of cleaned that mess up a little there. I always dump my black water into our septic system. Works out well. It's not a very big camper, not too much, so it's worked out well for us the last couple of years. Hey, Rocky Top, how you doing, buddy? It is a windy day, cold and windy. So we're going to get out our air hose attachment that goes into the water spigot here on the camper. Turn my little air compressor on that I have mounted inside of my basement crawl space. Instead of plugging the hose in, we'll plug the air in. So basically, we're just going to blow air through, pressurize the system a bit, blow it through, and push all the water out. So as you can see, I'm just putting all the water faucets through the paces, and I'm going to go ahead and take the drain plug out of the hot water heater. That's where most of your water is going to sit, and that's the major piece you do not want to freeze. So we'll take that plug out. In my case, it takes a 15/16 wrench. There is a little plug that I can put in there that's a little easier to get to, but maybe next year we'll do that. So we'll take this plug out and let the water come out of the hot water heater. That's pretty easy. And then I put a little air to it on top of that to help speed the process. There you go. Once that hot water tank is emptied, we'll put the plug back in just so I can pressurize the system with minimal water in it. And then we'll go ahead and drain out the ancillary systems like the showers, the inside shower, the outside shower. Don't forget those two items. That's easy to forget. But just keep alternating back and forth between different valves until I get it all cleaned out. And that's that. So basically after that, I take the plug back out of the hot water tank and just let it drain and just let it be for the winter. So it's a fairly easy process, takes probably 30 minutes or so. And don't forget to drain your freshwater tank if you have any water in there. The last thing I do is put a little antifreeze in the P-traps, something you don't want to forget. And I just dump a little concentrate antifreeze in the P-traps. There is RV antifreeze for this if you want to, but I just use regular antifreeze here this time. That's what I had on hand. No big deal. Don't forget the shower P-trap. So, yeah, I pronounce it winterized. Well, so it's Halloween time, and this year we had a blue moon over Halloween, beautiful blue moon. A couple shots off of the internet here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Good day.